Take 10.
Ready?
Want some gum?
No thanks.
I beg your pardon. Did you say no thanks? It's gum.
Yeah, I know. No thanks.
Why don't you want some?
I don't chew gum.
What's wrong with gum?
I don't like it.
You're kidding. Why don't you like it?
I don't like the taste.
That's okay. Chew more gum and you'll get used to the taste.
I don't want to get used to it. No thank you.
I can't believe you.
What?
Jacob said you were like this, but I didn't believe him.
The other kids are talking about this?
Yep. When's the last time someone invited you over to their house?
It's been a while.
Uh-huh. Just as I suspected.
I don't get invited to people's houses because I don't chew gum.
Nobody likes to say it, but it's true.
I had no idea.
If you want to have friends, you have to do what they do.
Or chew what they chew.
Now you got it. Unless, of course, you don't want to be like everyone else. I'm sure there are other people out there like you, fellow non-chewers, but nobody ever invites them over.
You really think it's that important?
Take a look around. Who do you want to be like? Those with gum or without?
Hmm.
So let me ask again. Want some gum?